All right, another thing that I do is something called text variables. So a text variable, show this, is where you can put in a variable that changes. Now, I use two of them for this document. I use a season and a year. So I was tired of remembering, oh, summer needs to change to fall, fall needs to change to winter, and 22 to 23. The problem is I can't do just a plain old find and change because there are so many instances of spring, summer, winter, etc. 2023 summer camp. I certainly can't search for summer and change summer to fall because it's not fall camp, it's always going to be summer camp. So there are so many instances where I simply just cannot do a regular old find and change. So in this case, I'm going to use a text variable. So a text variable is found in Type menu, Text Variables. The first thing you should do is define them. So I'll choose Define. And now I am going to make a new one. Name is going to be Year. And the type is Custom Text. Now, I don't have time to go through what all these are. Look at these. They're fantastic. What's the creation date? What's the modification, the output date? You can do running headers like a phone book. Text variables are very, very cool. So custom text, and the year I want to do here is 2023. And I'll click OK. Let me make one more. I'll hit New, Variable, Season. I'll go to the custom text, and I'll do, what are we on here? We'll just do Summer, and I'll click OK. And then I hit Done. And by the way, these can be loaded up from other places and saved. All right, so I'm going to hit Done. OK, so now how do I use these? Well, if I come over here to the beginning, this is where I would normally just manually type in the summer, spring, etc. But instead of manually typing it in, I put my cursor in here, and I choose a text variable and insert the variable of season. I'll come up here to the top, and I'm not going to do all of these right here. Season and text variable, insert variable, season. Right after that is my year, and I can't really copy and paste this because it's going to put in that formatting. So here it is, year. You can very faintly see a little box around this. So I'll do this in one more place. I'll come down to my master page, and at the bottom here, I have another location where I do these on my footers, and text variable, insert season, and insert text variables, insert the year. All right. So the great part about this is I put it in when I know that I want these to change. So now when I'm ready to go to the fall season, I delete that picture. Oh, that didn't. Now you can't see the white, so I would delete the picture. But now I'll go into my text variable and define, and I'm going to go to season, edit it, and change this to winter. I'll click OK. Right away, winter changes. You can see that. And I'll go to the year and edit and change this to 4 and done. And there you can see, this one I didn't put in, but you can see that winter 2024 automatically changed, and so did my header. So even if you just use a text variable for one thing that might change, maybe you have a board of directors and the president's name of the board of directors changes every single year. Use a text variable for the board of directors name. Put that person in, and every time they update, you can update the information. Okay, so that is text variables.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.